Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, one of the things that we keep hearing a lot about is all of the different tools out there in the space. There's 50 million logins. There's all sorts of stuff just spread all over the place, especially if you've got multiple projects going on for teams. This is a big problem.
Yeah.
Where everything's all over the place.
Well, remember Bianca was talking about this a lot with the Austin School District project. Like they've got 100+ projects going, a lot of different contractors.
This isn't unique to her.
No, but I mean, stuff
isn't unique to her.
I think the thing is like stuff goes, you have things above you, like things that are maybe being dictated to you and that you have to use.
Yeah.
Pieces of software and tools that are like, you're going to be on this. And then you've got stuff below you that you're trying to manage for yourself.
Yeah.
That maybe you have some dictate over, some mandate over.
Mandate.
Yeah. So, you're going like, how in the heck do I keep my arms around everything like this?
Yeah.
And so we've talked about like getting one, like a dashboard, a place where everything can be collected.
Yeah. And that can be difficult to do.
Yeah.
For sure. And like I've talked to people in the field too, this is a big problem for them. This is up and down the chain. This isn't just people at the high level. This is people all the way down to the field trying to get access to stuff. And this is taking them forever. Yeah. And so one of the things, when we were talking about this, one of the things that came up was Quickbase, one of our partners. They just released Quickbase Project Hub.
Yep.
And so it's kind of like an answer to that, which is they're trying to funnel all of the pipes back into one spot, right? So that you can see everything in one place, which I love. I'm like, holy cow, thank you. Thank you for doing this. It's a lot of people are going to be very excited to just kind of hear like, hey, okay, here's a way that we might be able to do this and save our team some brain drain of having to go to 50 different places to get all of the information.
Yeah, definitely want to give them a shout out for trying to be a solution to that. And I guess on the YouTube version, we can throw up maybe an example of what that dashboard kind of looks like.
We'll pop something up there.
Absolutely. But I mean, main point being, when you're working with a lot of different companies, sources of information, you need to bring things back to one point as best you can.
Yeah.
So that you don't miss things.
Yeah.
Also, so you can track things, because a lot of times all that information, you want to capture the information, use it.
Yeah.
And if it's in a bunch of different places, it's very difficult to capture it and make it useful. So you have to get it back to like a pool.
Right.
You have to get it back to a place.
Yeah. So
they can become like a useful way of getting that information into the hands of people that need it.
Yeah.
It's tough right now. Like there's just a lot of pieces of software out there that you have to manage.
And they all kind of have their strengths too, right? Like some are really good here, others are really good there. And so being able to stitch all that stuff back together, I think is the biggest challenge. We were talking to, with Field Proof, like we were talking to a bunch of soups, and this was like problem number one is just where do I go to get the stuff? And like they spend so much time just going 50 different spots to try to piece information together. That's so difficult for them. So help your teams out. This is more of like an awareness thing. If you weren't aware at the field level, and if you're feeling it in the office, which I'm sure you are probably feeling this already if you're in the industry, like heads up, they're feeling it at the field level too. And this is a problem worth tackling. Quickbase is a pretty good tool to try to piece that stuff together though. Seems like they're making pretty decent strides there, which is cool. So,
yeah. There you
awesome. Well, there you have it. With that, go build something awesome.